This is quite a complicated page, but I'll show you the outline of it, and this is the advanced section of channel settings. You can set the picture that you want, obviously the name of your channel, what country you're set in, any keywords. This is a great way of telling Google what your channel's about. So many people miss this out. Allow adverts to be displayed, AdWords and channel recommendations and Google Analytics and so on. I'm going to scroll back up there because obviously YouTube doesn't like me publishing some of those figures, but the whole page will allow you to do lots of advanced setup. The most important takeaway from this is you must have something in channel keywords. For this particular channel, and I have several channels as you probably know, but North Korea Documentary Channel, that is a massive link to Google telling what about. Think of it in terms, if you had an internet page, that would be the title of your page. So that's very, very important that you have that. If you make any changes there, you must press the save button. Make sure you do that, set your country up, set everything else right. Any problems there, that changes your channel here on forwards. It makes life a lot easier, and also the picture of you there. That tends to be linked instantly to your Google Plus image these days, so it's less important, but they just haven't updated that yet.